Hey, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and welcome to our day 2 of BU. Now, right now it's about lunchtime, and I wanted to sneak up here, kind of share with you a little bit of things. Last night we went to the vendor mall and we got to see a bunch of new stuff and cool stuff, get up close and personal with the new hoops. Got to see some of the items that were made on the new 790 Ultra and got to kind of play around with that a little bit, so that was pretty cool. And then, well, today we took some classes. Amy made some things on the Ultra, and then she also had a Burnett class using the B59, and I spent the morning using the new Sergers. So I thought it would be good to talk about the L620 and the L660. So first of all, I'm not going to go into every bit of detail with this machine, but in my experiences, these things are super quiet, super easy to use, fantastic to thread, and have lots of things that are so cool on them that I can't believe they've never thought of these things before.
I've been so excited to work together with BERNINA, and on the other hand to get to know other sewers from the community.
Oh, beautiful.
I think the Serger L660 is really innovative and user-friendly. I love when a machine is like ready to use straight out of the box. This machine makes it so easy, and I really love that feature.
With the cover stitch L620, you achieve the next sewing level. You can sew the perfect cover stitch in maybe 10 minutes. The L650, it's the most perfect, beginner-friendly overlocking machine that you could get and is so easy to use.
Sergers do not have to be difficult. It's not necessary. It usually takes me a very long time of getting to know a machine before I will change the settings that much. Very capable, not intimidating.
The L650 is perfect for getting started, but also will serve you for a long, long time. Sewing connects the generations because this is kind of a heritage that is passed down. Like I got it passed on from my grandma and my dad. Sewing is something you can create everything with it, and at the end, most of the time, you have a perfect dress that feels like magic for me.
I chose to venture into sewing because I like to be able to express myself.
I never found the perfect closet that fits me. I was looking for a solution, and the solution was sewing. I can't wait to be at home and discover my L620. For my family and for myself, I do all the basic pieces. Girls, I'm finished! The L650 will just make it so much quicker and easier, and I'm excited to work with it. I'm really thankful. I learned a lot. It's a wonderful time.
So in the vendor mall, they had all of these beautiful samples made with the Liberty machines and the Liberty fabric, and those embroidery designs that are loaded on the Liberty machines are just so interesting and cool, and it looks just like their fabric, and we were really inspired, I have to say. And you know, Chris was checking out, these are the stitches on the 495 that you're looking at here, and these are the Liberty stitches that come loaded only on the Liberty machine. So you can see them in the 5mm version there, and then here is the 9mm version. And I mean, with some of these heirloom classes that we have coming up, I just think these machines are timed perfectly. And look at that little sewing organizer that Jamie made, that's super cute. And then she's got like a little make and take where you're making a tea bag holder that's shaped like a tea bag, and these are the flowers that she's stitching out. But just a quick little run through all of the specialty embroideries that are on this machine is pretty fun to look at. The suitcase, now this is the embroidery module suitcase for the B580 Liberty edition, but then of course there is a suitcase that also matches the 495. So, you know, I'll have like, you know, better stuff for you. This was just a quick pass through the vendor mall last night. Let's not forget about this B59. This B59 Bernette is actually an embroidery and a sewing combo machine, but it can be powered off a tablet, and it can be powered off your other mobile devices. And the thing that's cool about that is it's Android and Mac compatible. And, you know, honestly, going over to the OESD booth is always inspiring, especially with all these cute little Warner Brothers characters that I remember from my childhood. I mean, like little Tweety Bird, and there's Wile E. Coyote, and they now have Where the Wild Things Are stuff, and this display was really cute. I love the little tent, and then Max's crown, and all of the supporting cute designs that come with this book that, you know, I think we love this book at all ages, honestly. And then you know what, Amy and John thought this was super cool, but I'm gonna admit to you guys, I've never seen the Goonies. But if you have seen the Goonies, and I think anybody who's seen it is like really into it, well, they now have a Goonies embroidery collection, as well as all of their other, you know, time-honored stuff. They're just so good at decorating. And look at that Bugs Bunny and the little That's All Folks thing. That's awesome. So you know that OESD acquired Dime, and Dime is known for all of their different types of software. Well, they've got new software coming out. I cannot wait to get my hands on this, because this is what every 990 owner needs. And this is actually something that we're going to be including with every 990 purchase from now on with BERNINA of Naperville. And this software is robust. It allows us to instantly make things stitch and flipped in the hoop, and can do all kinds of things with our BQM files and stuff. So it's my Quilting Studio Pro. And we'll have classes on this and demos and everything. All right, well, I hope that wets your whistle for today. So in a little bit, I'm going to be heading to a Bernette software course, but the Bernette software is getting a, I don't know if we call it an upgrade or some invigoration, and it can do some pretty amazing things. So I'm going to be sharing that with you tomorrow. And then later we have Paul's wine tasting. That should be really fun. And then we have our group dinner tonight. And yeah, late night tonight is Q Series karaoke. I don't know if I'm ready to warble out something, but you know, that's nothing a little liquid courage can't cure. Am I right? You know what I mean? Everyone is a rock star in their own mind, and I am no different than that, right? And then, so tomorrow, our video is gonna be all about software. So we're gonna be talking about the new software for Bernette. If you already have the Bernette software, no worries, you just have like a little upgrade that you can give to it if you choose. It's not mandatory. And then I'm gonna talk about the q-matic new firmware version that's coming out and what you can expect from that, because I have a class in that. So that video will be dropping a little bit later. So tomorrow night, we also have our Century Club dinner, and I'm not sure exactly when the video will be coming, but it will be. So just please stay tuned to our channel. And if you want to see other videos and tutorials and all of that, hey, check us out. It's easy to find. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville. And there you can like, comment, and subscribe. All right. I'll see you later.